Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing machines. Today, we'll be looking at the GZJ portable washing machine and the Yeltimer portable washing machine. Both machines are designed for convenience and efficiency, making them perfect for small spaces like apartments and for travel. Let's dive into their features and see which one might be the right fit for you. When it comes to capacity, the GZJ portable washing machine offers a 15-liter capacity, which is suitable for small loads. In contrast, the Yeltimer portable washing machine has a slightly larger capacity of 16 liters, allowing for a bit more laundry at once. This difference can be significant for users who need to wash multiple items at a time, especially in a family setting. In terms of features, the GZJ portable washing machine is equipped with 3 wash modes but lacks a spin cycle, which means clothes may take longer to dry. On the other hand, the Yeltimer portable washing machine includes a spin cycle, which significantly speeds up the drying process, making it a more versatile option for users who want to minimize drying time. Finally, let's talk about price. The GZJ portable washing machine is priced at $59, while the Yeltimer portable washing machine is slightly more affordable at $50. This price difference may influence your decision, especially if you're looking for a budget-friendly option without sacrificing essential features. In conclusion, both the GZJ and Yeltimer portable washing machines offer unique benefits. If you prioritize a larger capacity and the convenience of a spin cycle, the Yeltimer may be the better choice. However, if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option and don't mind the absence of a spin feature, the GZJ could be perfect for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.